What's up guys, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super quick and easy method to fix a common Android problem. Can't find your apps? Don't worry. You can unhide them in just a few seconds. Open the settings page. This is your control center where you manage everything, including display, sound, storage, privacy, and system features. Now scroll down slowly and look for an option, home screen, display, or sometimes apps depending on your device brand. Tap on it once you find it. Next, continue scrolling until you see an option named Hide Apps or Hidden Apps. This is where all your hidden applications are stored. Now tap on it and you'll see a full list of apps that are currently hidden from your app drawer. To bring them back, simply uncheck the apps you want to unhide. Once you're done selecting, tap on Done, Apply, or OK to confirm your changes. After that, go back to your app drawer and you'll see your hidden apps are now visible again and ready to use normally. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Android tips, tricks, and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching.